Samsung is one of the rare smartphone brands that still rolls with its own in-house chips. Yep, we're talking about the Exynos lineup. These processors have been doing the heavy lifting across everything from Galaxy budget phones to high-end flagships. But when it comes to premium foldables, like the Galaxy Z series, Samsung has always leaned on Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon 8 chips. Well, that might be changing very soon. According to a fresh scoop from South Korean media, Samsung is gearing up to start mass production of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 as early as next month. But here's where it gets spicy. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 might ditch Qualcomm altogether. That's right, it could launch with Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500, or more specifically, a toned-down variant dubbed the Exynos 2500E. This chip reportedly prioritizes thermal efficiency and stability over raw performance. Samsung has used similar E variants before, like the Exynos 2400E in the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, but those usually drop after the main chip's debut. So if the Exynos 2500E comes first, it would be a surprising twist. And here's where the plot thickens. Early rumors pointed to the Flip 7 getting the regular Exynos 2500. Then came whispers of it using a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Elite. Now, yet another report says it's actually the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, a new Fan Edition model that will feature the Exynos chip, while the standard Flip 7 might still stick with Qualcomm. Confused yet? You're not alone. To make things even murkier, performance benchmarks of the non-nerfed Exynos 2500 haven't exactly been encouraging. It reportedly struggles to keep pace with the Snapdragon 8 Elite and MediaTek's Dimensity 9400. So launching a downgraded version like the 2500E as the main chip, that's a bold, some might say risky, move. Samsung clearly has high hopes for this launch though. They're reportedly planning to produce 240,000 units of the Z Flip 7 and another 170,000 units of the new Z Flip 7 FE, just in Q2 2025. Meanwhile, the Fold 7 is getting a more modest initial batch of 160,000 units. It makes sense. Historically, the Flip series has been the fan favorite, thanks to its compact, stylish form and more affordable foldable price tag. And now, with a potential Fan Edition in the mix, Samsung's doubling down. So, what do you think about a potential Exynos-only Galaxy Z Flip 7? Is Samsung making the right call, or should they stick with Snapdragon for their flagship foldables? So, drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk tech. Until next time, take care and stay techy.